My name is Sergeant McKean with the Upper Arlington Police Division, and the Citizens Police Academy is an 11-week program that we've been doing here in the city of Upper Arlington for the past 18 years. The Citizens Police Academy is just an opportunity for citizens to kind of see what it is that we do on a daily basis. The biggest thing that we look for in this program is we look for that opportunity to forge relationships with the community so that they better understand what we're doing and we better understand what their needs are and what their expectations of their police force are.
I chose to take the Citizens Police Academy here in Upper Arlington because I'm actually wanting to become a police officer for Upper Arlington. I think it was a great opportunity to just kind of see what the day in the life looks like for them.
I find that a lot of people in today's day and age are quick to have opinions about men and women in law enforcement without seeing what they're doing on a day-to-day basis. And I think if they had a better understanding of what it takes to become a police officer and to maintain that level of excellence, I think we'd have a lot better relationship with our men and women in law enforcement.
I think the course has changed my perception. I would recommend it to anyone. I've learned a lot. They would learn a lot.
Just to know the level of training, the level of commitment, and the vetting that goes in to be a police officer, to make it through the academy, to be chosen to serve alongside your peers, to protect them and to protect the community.
It just offers you a wealth of information. You get to know some of the law enforcement officers, and you understand what they're doing and why they're doing it.
I would highly recommend this to really anyone within Upper Arlington. That way they can gain a better understanding of how police are benefiting them with being in their community.
All those people who come in to take the class, they bring a wealth of experience. We have people from all walks of life. And when we get that group of people together with law enforcement, the conversations that happen are just unbelievable. And that sort of connection that we share, ultimately we solve some of the problems that we see with policing that are in our nation now. And we can't do that unless we start having connections. I think we learn as much from this program from the community as we're teaching the community.